everyone! On this cold winter night, I decided to make Parmesan soup. It's a French recipe and it's simply divine. I'll show you how to make it. Roughly chop 2 onions to go into a heavy pot. I'm using a Dutch oven today. Mince shallots for garnish and make garlic infused oil. To make those croutons, just drizzle over the top and then pop it in the oven for about 15 minutes. And then in a Dutch oven or a heavy pot, just add your butter and then saute the onions until they look glassy. Make sure you're on low heat now. Add the chicken stock, heavy cream, light cream, whole milk, and 3/4 of the Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese necessary to make the soup today. You can see that I'm frying the bacon. That'll be chopped up for garnish later. Make sure you stir this often for the next 45 minutes and do not boil. That'll make the soup curdle. We don't want that. Okay, and when 10 minutes are left, then add the rest of the cheese and stir that really good. Mix it up. Then you want to pop it in a blender and puree that. And this is when you want to season with salt and pepper or any other seasoning that you want to add. This soup is so versatile. You can add anything you want to it and use it in so many different ways. And then you want to strain the soup, and then there you go. Incredible Parmesan soup flavor with bacon and garlic croutons. It's a real crowd pleaser. It's so delicious and versatile. Thanks for watching. See you next time. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help.